16. Solve the equations. 5x is equal to 7y minus 21 and 21x minus 9y is equal to 75. So 5x minus 7y is equal to minus 21, equation 1, and 21x minus 9y is equal to 75, or 3 into 7x minus 3y is equal to 3 into 25, or 7x minus 3y is equal to 25, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficient of x. 5x minus 7y is equal to minus 21 multiplied by 7, and 7x minus 3y is equal to 25 multiplied by 5. 35x minus 49y is equal to minus 147, and 35x minus 15y is equal to 125. By subtracting, 34y is equal to 272, or y is equal to 272 by 34 is equal to 8. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 5x minus 7y is equal to minus 21, or 5x minus 7 into 8 is equal to minus 21, or 5x minus 56 is equal to minus 21, or 5x is equal to 56 minus 21 is equal to 35, or x is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 8. Answer.